So what labs do you actually need before starting testosterone replacement therapy? Most doctors run the basics and miss the most important markers. At Men's Health Co., we run our elite hormone panel, not to check a box, but to optimize your biology. Here's what we test and why that's important. The first is total testosterone. This tells us what your overall testosterone production is, but that number alone doesn't tell us how you feel. The second is sex hormone binding globulin, or SHBG. This is a protein that binds to testosterone and makes it inactive. If your SHBG is too high, your free testosterone plummets, even if your total testosterone looks normal. Most doctors don't know this and don't even check it. The next lab we check is a calculated free testosterone. Free testosterone is what drives your symptoms. Many labs will run free testosterone on your lab test, but we find this massively inaccurate. We use a dedicated calculator for free testosterone because it gives you what your average free testosterone is, not just that time that you got your labs done. We believe in calculated free testosterone so much that we built a free testosterone calculator and put it on our website. Just click the Knowledge Hub at the top of the website and you'll find it there. The next lab is luteinizing hormone. This hormone signals your body to produce testosterone. The purpose of finding out what this lab value is it tells you why your testosterone is low. Is it low production or is it low signal? The next lab we test is prostate-specific antigen, or PSA. We always check a PSA to ensure your prostate is healthy before starting hormone therapy. The next lab is a complete blood count, or CBC. This gives us critical safety data, red blood cell count, hematocrit, your hemoglobin. This can also help us rule out common causes of low testosterone, such as undiagnosed or untreated sleep apnea. But here's the bottom line. Your average lab panel is designed to detect disease. Our panel is designed to optimize performance. That's a different standard entirely. If you want to get your doctor to order the right set of labs, we made it easy. Download our ebook for what to ask for, or to even say. It even has CPT codes for your provider to make it easy for everybody. Check the link below or visit our Knowledge Hub on our website for more information, because our goal is to optimize you and welcome you to a community of other like-minded men who are doing the same. Welcome to Men's Health Co.